What's up, guys? Welcome to our brand new Oddness studio. We are super pumped to bring you something that is going to be fun and that we are doing every week, and we're calling it NUKEN with Nadine.
That's right. Every single Tuesday at 7 p.m. we'll be posting a new video of us putting random stuff in Nadine and seeing what happens. You may notice that this is Nadine number 2, and that's because in our first video, which we posted on Facebook Live, well, Nadine number 1 didn't really make it. This is what's left of Nadine number 1. That's right, Marshmallows, aluminum foil, and forks did this to Nadine number, well, kind of.
Ooh! Ooh! Nadine!
Nadine! Burn! Well, as you can see, that experiment was a complete failure. I don't know exactly what we thought was going to happen, but the marshmallows ruined the microwave, and then I ruined the microwave even further.
Make sure you subscribe to Oddness TV, turn post notifications on, and come back here every Tuesday at 7 p.m. to see the next episode of NUKEN with Nadine.
We promise that this one is not going to end so pleasantly. We're going to see if we can catch this baby on fire. And just remember,
there's never a day without AM and PM.
I love those women.